If you get 100% deletion off your credit report and your score still ends up being 700, can you still get it up to 800 within a reasonable period of time? Yes. So 70% of your credit score has nothing to do with your late payments. 70%. Now there's 550 points available on a FICO score model. 550 times 70, 385 points has to do with things outside of payment history. And then 165 points has to do with payment history. Generally speaking, when someone hires us, it's 90 to 100 points. And we see that when you log into Credit Mojo, that first number says your credit score, the number in the middle, plus 90, plus 75, plus 80. That's how many points you're losing based on your payment history. And then all the rest of them have to do with outside of payment history. So if we deleted 100% of your negative items, your payment history, and you're at a 700, what you need to do to get to 800 is have longer established credit cards or loans, have at least 3 credit cards, make sure your credit cards are paid down to below 5%, but more than 1%, have no inquiries, and that should get you over 800. So I don't know what you have on your credit, but if you schedule a review with your credit consultant, they can look at the credit report and say, this is what you need. You need 3 credit cards. You need to do this, this, this. We'll print out an entire thing and send it to you. So we'll actually do a full-blown audit of it and give you a list of what you need to do to get up to that 800, 850 range. So thanks for the question.